Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make an authentic Thai sticky rice. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Okay, let's get started and see how to make this delicious and tasty Thai sticky rice.
So today I've used the Blue Elephant brand. This brand rice is available online or even in departmental stores.
Okay friends, the ingredients for our recipe is ready. Let's get started and see how to make this recipe.
Now that the ingredients are ready, let's take a bowl and start measuring the rice. Today I'm taking about 3 cups of rice. This is about half a kg. So now the rice is ready. Now let's wash the rice well and soak it in water for about 1 hour before cooking it. So this is the perfect Thai sticky rice. You should not use any other normal rice. It is always better to use a branded rice for the perfect taste and consistency. It's always important to soak the rice before cooking. We need to soak the rice for about 1 hour before cooking it. Now let's take a non-stick pan. Into the pan, let's add about 4.5 cups of water. For 1 cup of rice, we need to add about 1.5 cups of water. So today I have taken about 3 cups of rice. So for that, let's add about 4.5 cups of water into the pan. Now let's switch on the flame and heat the water. Now you can see that the water is steaming and tiny bubbles have started to come. At this stage, let's add the rice. Always keep the flame in low so that we can give sufficient time for the rice to cook. Now let's transfer the soaked rice into the water. So there are different methods of cooking this Thai sticky rice. This is one method, and the other method is they usually soak the rice overnight and just steam it in a bowl of water with a cheesecloth. So that is another method. I feel this method is more quick and instant to make. So you can try this method as well. You can get the same taste and perfect consistency. So after adding the rice, let's add about 1 teaspoon of salt into the water. Now let's check the salt in the water. You can add a little more salt if necessary. Now let's close the pan with a lid and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes is a perfect time, but at about 15 minutes, let's check the rice again. According to the rice, the timing also differs. In about 15 minutes, let's check the rice once again. You can see that the rice is cooked well. So this is the perfect consistency that we are looking for, friends. Now let's close the pan with a lid, and in another 5 minutes let's switch off the flame.
So that's it friends, our delicious and tasty Thai sticky rice is absolutely ready. This goes very well with a Chinese gravy or a tom yum soup. So do try this recipe and let me know your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.